How are you today? I hope you are always healthy. Welcome back to my channel. As usual, we will color. What is this animal? That's right. It's a rat animal. What does this rat eat? That's right. Mice love to eat cheese. Have you ever seen a big rat around you? Do you think rats are disgusting animals or very cute animals? Where do you usually see rats? Let's immediately color this very cute mouse. First, we will color the cheese. What color is suitable for dyeing the cheese? Yes, we'll color the cheese yellow. Yellow. What other colors are we going to give this rat? Yes, we will give brown color to the face and body. Brown. Let's put some color on the tail and ears on this mouse. We'll put green color. Green. What color for the hands and feet? Yes, we'll color it red. Red. How about her stomach and mouth? We'll give it a purple color to make it nicer. Purple. That's all for today. Hope you had a great day and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to watch my video until it's finished. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and like to all my videos. Bye! See you back in the next video.